Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today, we'll show you how to set a minimum order amount using cart subtotal in Shopify. Using the cart subtotal condition, you can easily set a minimum order amount, and we'll show you how in this video. Cart subtotal means the total price of all products in the cart before taxes and shipping fee as shown at checkout on a Shopify store. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the cart subtotal condition. So first, we'll search for cart subtotal in the search bar. Then, we'll select the rule type where this condition is available, Essential 1 or Essential 2. Here we can see that the cart subtotal condition is available only in Essential 1. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one, since the condition is only available in Essential 1. So we must choose the Essential 1, select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Cart Subtotal. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the Search option. For this example, we set cart subtotal to block if less than $500. This means if the cart subtotal is below $50, the checkout will be blocked. Now we will add a proper error message for the customers like, you need to buy at least $500. Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because cart subtotal is less than $500, which does not meet the minimum order requirement. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. Now let's add more than $500 products in the cart and then check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the CartLock app. Happy selling!